Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Production. Today I am going to start CSS tutorial series, and in first part of CSS tutorial series I will explain what is CSS and how can we use CSS to style HTML elements. So let's jump to the topic and see what is CSS. In fact, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet is used for styling HTML elements. It means that by using CSS, we can give different look and different style to HTML elements and display it in a very beautiful and attractive way. So now the question is, how can we style HTML element by using CSS? Well, there are three ways to style HTML elements by using CSS. First way is by using inline style, second way is by using internal style sheet, and third way is by using external style sheet. In this tutorial, I will show you the example of using inline style only, and I will talk about internal style sheet and external style sheet in upcoming videos. So now let us practically see how to use inline style for styling HTML elements. To begin coding, open text editor. Now create HTML document. To create HTML document, go to File, select Save, save it to desktop, and name the file CSS example.html. Save. As you can see, HTML document called CSS example has been created. So now let us insert HTML and body tag. Now let's insert paragraph. To insert paragraph, p tag is used. So let's use p tag. Now let's specify some content between opening and closing p tag. So this is a paragraph. Size to 28 pixel. Now save the file. Now if I run this code, web browser will display the paragraph in black color, and font size of paragraph will be approximately 16 pixel by default. So let us see how web browser displays the paragraph. Find the saved file. Open the saved file. As you can see, web browser displayed the paragraph as expected, but we want to display this paragraph in red color, and also we want to display paragraph content and bigger size. So we can change the color and font size of this paragraph by using CSS. So let us see how to change it. In this tutorial, I will use inline style to design paragraph element. To use inline style, we need to go to opening tag of paragraph element and use style attribute. Let's go to opening tag of paragraph element and use style attribute. Now we want to change the color of this paragraph, so we will use color property colon. Now we will set the value of color property to red. Put semicolon at the end. and and we want to change the font size of this paragraph to be 28 pixel. So we will use font size property colon 28 pixel. Now save the file. If I run this code now, web browser will display the content of the paragraph in red color, and also it will display the paragraph text at 28 pixel. Let us see how it displays. Find the saved file. Open the saved file. As you can see, web browser displayed the content of paragraph in red color, and also it displayed paragraph exactly at 28 pixel. Okay guys, this was the explanation and example of CSS. If you liked the video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.